Taking your drones with you on vacation is going to absolutely change the entire footage you had from it and allow you to also make some really nice content, does it? But how to actually transport those drones with you, especially on a plane, because instructions are absolutely unclear. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all of the checklists, tips and tricks that you need to keep in mind to get those things through absolutely everything. So let's go. Hi, my name is Lexie Janson, aka maionhigh, and in my drone racing career I have been on almost every single one of the continents, so I know a little bit about traveling with the drones, and I want to share with you all of the information so you will not do the same mistakes that I did before. First of all, and the most important thing before we even get to the packing is to check the drone laws in the said country to which you are going to. And this is as easy as to Google the country name plus drone laws, because in some of the countries across the planet Earth, you can actually get your drones confiscated if you arrive via plane or via car. Personal experience, in Turkey, they actually required me to have a special letter that I'm going for the drone race organized by the president of Turkey, otherwise they wanted to take my drones. And the same may happen to you in places such as Dubai, Morocco or Algeria. Those are the ones that I know about. Now, let's get to packing. For my freestyle and cinematic trips, which is probably what you're gonna do usually, my absolute favorite backpack is the Turbo Explorer. But when I'm going to any type of racing events, I'm always taking my Turbo Pitstop Pro because it's a much better backpack for racing purposes. It allows me to take more things, have everything there, and repair my drones on the go. And if you are interested in more backpacks and what they can do for you, we have actually made an entire blog post, which you can find down below in the description box. So, as I say, the choice of the backpack is up to you. But throughout the entire video, you will actually just see the Turbo Explorer because this is what I came here with. There are a couple of rules that are default for each and every airline, and what you need to remember for this is that tools go into a checked-in luggage, which gets into the belly of the plane, and the batteries stay with you in a carry-on. And I'm usually putting my tools into a Turbo sling bag, or you can use something like a FX tool bag, because it's so easy to just throw it into the suitcase, and then once you are on your destination, you can just take it out and put it back to your backpack to have it with you for your travels. Even if a stewardess of a plane is asking you if you would like to put your backpack into the belly of a plane, you have to decline and you have to let them know that inside of your backpack there are lithium polymer batteries, which are absolutely illegal to be stored in the plane belly across all of the countries of the planet Earth. Why? Because if there is any type of a failure, no one will get to know about it and it's extremely dangerous. Now, speaking of safety and everything connected with it, one thing that is absolutely a default across all of the airlines is that your lithium polymer batteries have to be stored inside of the LiPo-safe bag. And trust me when I say it, do not save money on those bags. I'm personally using the Turbo bag because I kind of think that it's one of the best things that I can have for this, and I feel really safe with it. And those bags can save not only your gear, but also your house when you are charging batteries. Some of the countries may also ask you to put every one of the batteries in a separate Ziploc bag to avoid shorts. And usually they have those Ziploc bags on the airport, so the worst case scenario, you will have to do it at the security check. I know this is true for some of the Asian countries, it haven't happened anywhere else, but what you can also do if you are afraid of the shorts is to use a 3D printed caps. What about the drones? Depending on the airline or the places you are going through or to, you may be asked to put your drones either into your checked-in luggage or simply have them on the backpack if you actually wish to do so. For example, if you are going to Middle East or you are going through Middle Eastern countries to change your plane, you will have to have your drones inside of your checked-in luggage, while most of the European countries don't really have such a rule, so you can put them wherever you want to. Now, what about the rest of your gear? As a rule of thumb, I'm putting the propellers both into a checked-in luggage and to my carry-on because some of them are actually pretty sharp and I'm never sure if they will let me through with them. When it goes to the radio, I'm keeping it with me in the carry-on because I'm kinda afraid that it will get destroyed during, unpacking and packing, and they do weird things with those suitcases,
That's mine, yeah.
And the same goes with the goggles. And what about the batteries to goggles or your radio? The same as with the LiPo batteries, they should be in the LiPo-safe bag. And if you have a lot of space in your LiPo-safe bag, you can also put any type of action cameras, such as Insta360 Go 3 or whatever you have in there, and it's gonna be absolutely fine. And also, as a side note, if a battery is built into your gear, just keep it in your carry-on and it's gonna be absolutely okay. If you are traveling with the spare parts for your drones, you can put them either into your carry-on or your checked-in luggage. Pick your poison. I'm generally putting it into my checked-in luggage because this thing is already pretty heavy and it's going to be on your back for a pretty long time. And if you have a connecting flight and you have to run, this may get really complicated really fast. And also, please remember that people who are checking your luggage may not necessarily know everything about all the things that people may be bringing on the aircraft. So if they ask you questions or if they say that something looks suspicious, don't get nervous, don't get angry, just be really informative, nice, smiling, and just explain what do you use those parts for and what you are going to do with them, because this is going to get you really, really far. And those are all of the things that you need to know to travel with your drones on a plane. I hope this video helped you a lot, and all of the links to the products that I have mentioned are down below in the description box if you want to check them out yourself. And also don't forget about the blog post that I mentioned about all of the backpacks. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if it helped you, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up to help me make algorithm extremely happy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!